A mechanic stethoscope is one of the simplest yet most powerful diagnostic tools in a technician's toolbox. At first glance, it looks similar to a medical stethoscope, but instead of listening to a heartbeat, it is used to listen to machines. This tool helps mechanics accurately locate abnormal noises inside engines and other mechanical systems without disassembling components. Mechanic stethoscope is made of three main parts: a metal probe, a flexible tube, and earpieces. The metal probe is placed directly on the component being tested. Vibrations travel through the probe and tube and are amplified in the earpieces, making even small or early-stage faults easy to hear. Mechanic stethoscopes are commonly used to diagnose valve train noise, fuel injector clicking, rod knock, piston slap, and bearing failure in accessories such as alternators, water pumps, and power steering pumps. By comparing the sound from one component to another, a mechanic can quickly determine which part is operating normally and which one is failing. Using a mechanic stethoscope is simple. First, start the engine and let idle. Then, carefully place the probe on a fixed part of the engine or component housing. Listen closely and move the probe from one part to another, comparing sounds. A sharp ticking, heavy knocking, grinding, or irregular noise usually indicates a problem. This tool is especially valuable because it helps detect problems early. Catching bearing wear, valve issues, or injector problems at an early stage can prevent major engine damage and reduce repair costs. It also saves time by reducing unnecessary part removal. However, safety is critical. Always keep the probe and your hands away from moving parts like belts, pulleys, and fans. Never touch high-voltage components, and always stay aware of your surroundings while the engine is running. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe.